a short video to show you how to use LastPass.com. Assuming that you're a new user, let's Google the website. So I have already Googled LastPass.com and here's my search result. So you just need to click on to login. Okay, and then you'll get redirected to the sign in page for LastPass. So here you need to enter your email and password for LastPass to allow you to access your account. So I'm entering mine, and then you need to enter the password for your LastPass. Okay, and then now you're done and click on to login button. Okay, now I have accessed my LastPass Vault. Vault is the place where you can find the websites and their login information shared with you or the ones you have saved. So as soon as you log in, you'll find your vault. So on the left side of your screen, you can see some options. So I'm on sites. See, here you can find accepted shared offers. If you can't see and if it's contracted, just click onto it, and then now you can see the website and the login information shared with you. And here are the ones that I have saved. One is for the WordPress website I'm working on, and another one is a productivity tool, asana.com. So now say if someone has shared the password and the email ID for login for any particular website and you want to find out, see here you can see sharing center. Click onto it and you'll be redirected to it. You can see 3 new tabs: manage shared folders, shared with others, and shared with me. Click on shared with me. Here when you get the requests, you will see a list of names or a single name appearing here. For example, I have already accepted all my requests, so they're appearing under the accepted section. So suppose I want to visit any particular website from the ones I've accepted. Let's say I want to visit thinkific.com. So I'll just click on launch, and there I'm being redirected to the website. See here, this is the LastPass icon in gray, and you don't even need to enter anything, any information for login. It's already there. So I'm being signed in with the already provided information. Okay, let me show you another one. Say I want to visit convertkit.com. I'll just click on launch. Just hover your mouse over the website name and then you can find the launch button there itself. So I have been redirected to the convertkit.com login page. So here you can again see the LastPass icon, and see I didn't even enter any information. It's already there, and I'm being logged in automatically. There, I'm logged in. Okay, all done here. So here, if you want to accept something, you'll find the requests shown here, the place I'm hovering my mouse on. Okay. Okay, let's say that you have logged out and you want to log in. See here, when you're logged out of LastPass.com, this box will appear dark gray or it will appear dark, okay, with three dots. See, when you click on it, this window will appear. So as you can see, my email and master password is already there, because I have selected the option for remember email and remember password. So just need to click in login. You don't need to visit the website anymore to log into lastpass.com. See, I'm being signed in. I have been signed in. As you can see, it's appearing in red. So if I click on open my vault by clicking here, as long as LastPass is active and you're logged in, this will appear in red color. So just click on open my vault and there you are. You can access your vault with ease. So you can even add a new folder. Say for example, I want to save the login information for facebook.com for my account. So I'll just visit facebook.com. Okay, let's say I want to save an login information for facebook.com. So here I have opened the add site window as I have already shown you, and I have placed the URL of the website, the name. I have just selected a random folder, productivity tools, or I can even create a new folder, and I provided the username and the password. See here, you can see an eye icon. If you click on it, your password will be shown to you. So just click on save to save it. If it's been added, it will show up in green heading, and there I'll launch it. Ah, there. See, I'm logged in. Say for example you want to click on that red thing, that red icon of LastPass on your browser. So click on it and visit my sites. If you want to add a site, click on site, add site. See, just need to provide the URL, name, folder, username and passwords and click save, and you're all done. If you want to add a new folder, go to the red button, click on it. Oops, sorry. And then click on add a new folder. Name the folder suppose my websites, and click save. See, here the folder will appear. Now I haven't saved anything under this folder as I have just created it now, so it's empty. This number here will show the number of websites in the particular folder. For example, in the accepted share offers, I have 3 websites, so it's appearing 3 here. Okay, that's all. You need to know to use LastPass.com, and I hope this video helps you. Thank you.